You snore, little cat.
Fire coming out of the front door area into the front lawn area.
And you saw flames and everything?
Yeah, there was flames coming out of the front.
It was knocked down within an hour, and the cause is under investigation. It is 6:06. Two men were arrested in Shasta County for child pornography in unrelated cases. 41-year-old Douglas Gurning was arrested last week at his home in the 12,000 block of Lake Boulevard. He now faces charges of possession and distribution of child pornography. Then yesterday, police arrested 59-year-old Brian Storm after serving a search warrant in the 1800 block of Trailwood Court in Reading. Storm was arrested after police say they found thousands of photographs in his home along with other evidence. He's also charged with possession and distribution of child pornography. Police ask anyone with additional information about these cases